Pilots, arm your quads. Let's go live on the tone in less than 5. I heard an oh no, looked over to seat number 6 and had some issues there. It will be fun on the ground. Not a good start for him. Everyone else running started with 8. We're down to 7. A little process of elimination, but he might be able to get up. Come on, it will be fun. Let's see some turtle mode. Halfway there. 30 seconds in, 90 seconds still to go. First one to cross over should be Captain Vanover. There he goes. So the 35.5 as his opening lap. Smoking across that timer line as he works his way out to the wing. Man, low side of the wing and right into the wall. Not sure what happened there. Jerrod's in the number 2 spot, working on lap number 2. Now we put Kid Drone onto lap number 2 as well. About 4.8 seconds back from him. So Jerrod, your leader, race span 3. We're at the midway point, a minute in, minute still to go. Now White Noise on that lead lap on lap 2. It will be fun. Was able to turtle mode his way back up, and he is on lap number 2. 50 seconds still to go here. So the cutoff time, if you have not followed along, unofficially right now is 3 laps into 18. It hasn't changed in a while. I do have a handful of DVR reviews to do that may or not change that as we are battling it out here for track position. On lap number 3 with Jerrod ripping it back in the backside around the mini Yask up high through our tornado tower. We're looking for your fastest 3 consecutive. He's going to get onto lap number 4. Be able to work with a 34.4 from lap number 2 and now a 32.0 from lap number 3. Jerrod earlier yesterday when the weather conditions were right did his fastest 3 laps in a minute 31. That's 31 seconds a lap. And here in the wind, and I know it's not as windy as it was about an hour ago, he's almost able to replicate that time. And I think it's his first time on the track is Jerrod, and it will be fun here with a battle 3 and 6 to the top side of the tower. Both of them flying in unison as we watch DVRs. Jerrod just in front of it. Will be fun. Now it will be fun just in front of Jerrod around through our tunnel. It will be fun just ahead of Jerrod with that one to finish it out. Jerrod getting 4 laps. It will be fun using turtle mode to get 3 in the session. So 4 laps and 2:22 for Jerrod with a seed time on that one. Seed time total. Don't tell me you got rid of seed time. What are you doing? That is an option that Shannon turned off on the screen. So stand by. Let's turn that back on. Where's seed time? I just scrolled. Where's seed? Where's seed time? No. Seed. Where's seed? His fastest 3 consecutive. Where? So that'll be a minute 38. Shannon didn't turn it off. I was just cross-eyed, guys. He moved it, but I was cross-eyed. So seed time for Jerrod, his fastest 3, a minute 38. So just 5.5 seconds over his 3 laps longer. So pretty solid in the win. It will be fun with a seed time of 2:22. 2 minutes 22 seconds in that one. No changes to our top. And that is it.